This video, I am going to show you how to use X Video Player. Now, what is X Video Player? I am going to show you that. That is actually the frame and where you actually watch X video. So let's assume this video right here. So I click on the video is playing. Now, if the video is playing, there are multiple things you can do.
The best thing I could come up with.
You can pause the video, and also whether the video is paused or playing, you can forward the video or make it fast forward. Double click on it and you can notice it fast forward. You can also double click by the left hand side to make it step back, or forward step back, anyone you want. And then if you click on this area, you are going to be able to toggle it out like so. So the video is going to be here. It can be
For AI safety.
The video can be playing while you scroll around, and whenever you want to return back to the video, just click on it and then you click on this area to yes. Now another thing, you want to click on this area to mute, or you click on it to play. And also you can click on this area to actually make it faster or play faster. Then apart from that, another thing you can do is to click on this area to actually block, add the person to list, or do multiple things, or let's say report the post if you do not like it or if you notice anything. And also you can request community notes right here. And then apart from that, you can also click on the test if you want to see the comment. Double click on the test and then you are going to see the comment section. You are going to see people commenting below. Wait for it here. Now this is everybody's comment. So guys, if you want to play the video again, you double click on it to start playing. So that, guys, is how to play a video. And you can also click on the top area to either say you are not interested. You can also increase the playback speed, which is still the same thing I showed you just now. You can also share the video, or you can also click on enable auto advance, which is after you finish playing this video, you go to the next one. If you click on it, you are going to disable it. So it means that when this video finish playing like so, it is going to replay or it's going to stay in the same video. Now, apart from that, another thing I'm going to end this video with, if you want to upload this video also, or you want to post this video also, click and hold and you are going to see an option that says post the video. And if this video have option or enable the option to download, you are going to see post video and also download video. And when you click on post video, you are going to be able to put some comments and then you click on post, and then only the video is going to be posted with credit. So I hope this is helpful. If it is, smash like. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe, guys, and peace.